Morning to everyone. So myself is Vasundhara. I am from Prajodhva Education Solutions. All of you know why we are gathered here, right? So today we are having a beautiful program, right? So that beautiful program today we are going to start. So before starting the program, we would like to invite our Honorable Principal Srimati Sarita Ma'am to speak 2 words regarding about this program. Give a big
Green morning to everyone. 2025-26 academic year. First English lab activity. We are starting with TED at Talks. First we are giving chance for high school session, 6th, 7th, 8th. Now you are coming to here to deliver your TED at Talk speech on different topics. So my dear children, all the best for you all.
A beautiful afternoon. Hello buddies. Hi. So now we are going to start a talk program. Are you ready? First I would like to invite our first speaker, Miss Kalpika, onto the stage. Hey there, cheerful faces. How are you? So today my topic is about if I design a perfect school. First of all, do you know what is meant by school? The meaning of school is the place where we gain knowledge. Now we'll come back to our topic. In my dream school, it will be about all the boring problems. It will be about running a mini shop, etc. And we'll talk about science. Science will be about all the fun experiments, etc. And English. English will be all about silly poems, stories, and etc. English is very interesting, right? Now in my dream school, if you don't do homework, no problem. You should tell a joke to the class. See you soon. Bye. Now we heard a very interesting topic, right? So everyone have a dream school, right? I would like to invite our next speaker, Nehal, onto the stage. Nehal, how you are feeling now?
So confidence.
Okay, let's see. Wonderful afternoon, everyone.
Back, you and Nihal, with a wonderful topic again. Today, I want to say about technology is a good thing for India or it is hurting us. Technology makes our India to grow faster in many ways. It is a luxury item to our India. Nowadays, even a shopkeeper is using technology for digital transactions. Farmers are using technology for crop information and weather report. With all of these advantages, we also have some disadvantages. Anybody know? Okay, it's fine. I will continue. Technology. Nowadays, so many people are losing their jobs because of technology by automation. Nowadays, ads, frauds and scams become very more concentrated. At the end and last, I want to say that technology makes our India a faster one and better one. Catch you all.
Speaker, Manasvi, onto the stage. Manasvi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So how you are feeling inside?
Excited, ma'am.
So now we would like to see the Manasvi performance because she is very excited.
Hello everyone, this is Manaswini and today we are talking about if I could rewrite the rules of the world. Free education and life-based learning is just about exams. But nowadays everyone gets lifelong access to particular creativity or emotional education no matter where they live or how old they are. Everyone starts equal. Every baby is born with equal rights and opportunities and resources no one or above. Okay, bye. Catch you later.
Now I would like to invite our next speaker from grade 7 Techno. He is none other than Hemant. Give a round of applause to the Hemant.
Hello friends, I am Hemant from 7th grade. Today our topic is about AI. What is AI? Yes, it's right. Invented on MCS Karthik. AI is exiting technology. AI is used in many places like cars, robots, health, games. Challenge of AI. AI has so many problems. If machines take overcome, the people will lose the job. AI is a great invention to help us. We should learn about AI and use it for good things. Bye for now. Catch you later.
Bye. Now we would like to invite our next speaker, Pratik, onto the stage. Give a big round of applause. So Pratik is very confident. Now we are going to give a very big cheer up to Pratik. Give a big cheer up. Yes, Pratik.
Hello pals, myself it is your Pratik from 7th Techno. Today our topic is about overcoming fear. Gradually exposing yourself, seeing the things and you are scared. Think about your physical behavior. Change the way to see the fear. I can do anything. Start with the easiest way to overcome the fear. What is the biggest fear in your life?
Exam.
Okay, it's well. Biggest fear in my life. Graduate from person to person. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to say the special thanks to Srimati Sarita ma'am, who is the principal of Sri Bharati Vidyalaya Techno School. She is encouraging a lot of programs like that to inspire the students. Not only the academics, the soft skills and life skills programs also she is encouraging. Now our all buddies are participated in a very good manner. They explore their body language and communication skills. Not only that, today we are observed they picked the very inspiration topics about to them explain themselves. So you want to know the next programs, stay tuned to Sri Bharati Vidyalaya Techno School for the upcoming programs. Thank you.